This would look a lot better. It would take advantage of the views a little bit better. And so through the process, I mean, we both made changes, and he was happy to make them. And, you know, coming down to colors and, you know, things like that, it seemed like everything that we had chosen in the beginning, as the house started to come together, you know, we wanted to change them a little. You know, we thought what we had chosen before just didn't depict the character of the house now. And so some of those changes were done on the fly.
He understood the value of what we were talking about, and in the end I think everything worked out. And then even with colors and stuff, I think as a home builder there's so many decisions to make. You get anxious about it. And we've made a lot of decisions up front, but then had a few to make at the end. And real close to when everything was starting to come together, I started to get real anxious. And Matt says, "Christy, you've done a really nice job so far." He says, "Just trust what you've done." And I so appreciated that he could, you know, he believed in what we were doing, and what, you know, he had helped guide us through the process anyway.
The communication was really good, I felt. You hear horror stories of other people that, you know, they go to build a house and, you know, they can't get hold of their contractor, or, you know, things just don't go well. Things went very well, even from the beginning. I always felt like, well, I felt like we were the only house he was building, even though we knew it. You know, there were others. And I thought, you know, at some point he's going to say, you know, just leave me alone and I'll get it built for you. But he never did that. It was great to work with him. Communication was great. I definitely recommend him to my friends, and I have.
At Specialized Cabinets, we provide our clients with competitive pricing and high-quality design for both kitchen and baths. Our designers can work with you throughout the entire process to ensure the final product is exactly what you had envisioned.
And I know a lot of the design elements you use in this area you've carried over once again, and they tend to flow into the master suite and the master bath. Cassie, can you tell me a little bit about some of those elements and what they were looking for?
You know, in the master bedroom, again, we wanted to capture as much of the views as possible, that each morning they'd wake up, they would be awaking to views, as well as going to sleep to views, looking out across the valley. They're just incredible. Going into the master bathroom, they chose a beautiful, beautiful material, tile surrounds, flooring, in their shower, the Euro glass doors, that they don't have the chrome framing around the doors, but glass. It's beautiful.
And that's turning into a split point that I'm seeing with higher end homes, that you'd anticipate the full grand master bath. You know, a big old tub, nice separate shower. A number of people coming in saying, "I've never used a tub yet. As long as we got a shower, make the shower big, it'll be good, right?" They came in with that mentality at this price point, which, like I say, I'm getting used to. We don't want a tub, make our shower bigger. Well, they went out looking at homes to measure rooms, set sizes, the parade of homes was going on, and they come back in one day and she says, "So you're gonna laugh." And I said, "What's that?" "We found a tub that we have to have." I'm like, "Wait, you went from none to over-the-top tub." So they ended up with a really cool tub, you know.
Well, again, it sounds like you've taken a lot of the ideas and you're able to think quick on your feet, and you've incorporated that in the design of it all, so it turned out great.
I think it did turn out well.
And what sets you apart from all of the other builds in the area? I understand quality control is very important to you.
It is, you know, and I touched on the fact that I've used the same set of subs. They're subs I trust, suppliers I trust. I understand the quality of materials I'm going to get in, but at the same time I've also got very experienced personnel on site every day, every job, that know how to handle business. Terry, one of my site superintendents, does a fantastic job as far as experience. He's far exceeds mine, and knows what he's doing, understands it, understands the process, and handles business. You know, quality's there.
Sounds like quality is extremely important to you. If somebody did want to build with Lightyear Construction, what would be the best way for them to get in contact with you all?
To give us a call or visit us on our website online. We've got lots of information on there for you.
Matt, appreciate your time.
Likewise.
Cassie, thank you so much.
You bet, thanks.